Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video let's learn about how to buy BNB in Trust Wallet. So let's get started. At first let's get into Trust Wallet app. Now we need to simply search for BNB. So it's over here. Now we can see this buy option over here. Simply tap on this, choose the amount and click on buy BNB. Now click on continue. Now enter the email address. Now we'll get a verification code. And tick mark and click on continue. Now enter your details here and click on continue. Now enter the payment details here and click on continue. After which the BNB will be bought. So this is all we can do to buy BNB in Trust Wallet. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.